to your seats, this could be one heck of a ride. As I look around the stands, there seems to be no lack of support for either side. A splendid occasion. Hold on to your seat for the next 90 minutes. Guti. That one is intercepted. Sergio Gonzalez. Xavi. Knocked it through. Looking for width. It's in. That was quick. It's the first goal already, and they've started the game memorably with a score inside the first 5 minutes.
What a beautifully worked goal. The timing of the run was in perfect harmony with the pass. Having got to it, all he needed to do was guide it past the keeper and into the net.
They've taken the lead here, 1-0.
Believe me, they'll be absolutely ecstatic with this magnificent start. The fans will be hoping they can maintain the pressure and put this game to bed.
Antonio Lopez. Pablo Ibanez. Although they're passing the ball neatly, the manager may well want to see a bit more urgency, a bit more penetration. Raul Albiol. And Joaquin. And Guti. Here's Marchena. Intercepted a through pass and it's cleared to safety. That's good play on the wing. Delivered towards the penalty spot. Now a chance for a cross. It's intended for that target in the middle. Xavi. 15 minutes gone in the first half. Silva. And Pablo Ibanez. Plays a long ball forward. Cesc Fabregas. Pass lacking there. Antonio Lopez. Plays it upfield. Oh, gives it away. That is slack defending. Could have been a chance on goal, but the defenders cleared it away for a corner. Plays it short. Oh, that's cute. Needs to test the keeper. It's over, but it was close.
There'll be some heated discussion between the keeper and the defenders after that. They shouldn't let players get through so easily.
That's a cleanly won header. Joaquin. Will this be a goal here? And a chance! They've done it! Oh, this is turning out to be some game. Both sides desperate to seize the initiative.
I don't think he meant that exactly, but a beautifully taken strike nonetheless. He kept it away from the keeper and saw a shot come off the right-hand post and into the net.
Game all square now at 1-1.
Well, the defence won't be too happy in doing all the good work done earlier on. There's nothing for it but to start over again, and this time hold on to the lead.
Silva. Now an opportunity to cross. Defender quick to see this one. Good defending. We've nearly reached the half-hour mark. Puyol. Capdevia. Temudo. It's played through. What'll he do here? Sloppy goalkeeping there. He's got his defence to thank that it's only a corner. It's up for the aerial challenge. Cut out by the defender. Rugged defending. And that's really got the crowd going. Possession gained. It's good tackling back. Raul Albiol. Villa. No, it's been snuffed out. Well maintained there. Now, can he get the cross in? Good ball in. Villa! Keeper's made a mess of that one, but he's managed to gather the ball. Capdevila. Cesc Fabregas. Luque. Showed his defensive quality there. 5 minutes to play in the first half. Can he get the cross in? Space for a shot. The defence is pretty solid. Knocks it over the top. That's a good ball. Will this be a goal here? And the shot! And the goalkeeper puts it out for a corner. Lifts it high. Sturdy defence there. Good overlap by the defender. Half-time is already upon us. The game's gone quickly. It's been a fairly competitive half. Let's hope for more of the same in the second period.